To select output response languages in NotebookLM, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Once you're inside the platform, open the notebook where you want to change the language of generated responses. After opening the notebook, locate the Settings menu. Depending on the current version of NotebookLM, language controls may be found within the notebook settings or other configuration options. Open the Settings panel and look for a section labeled Output Language, Language, or a similar language preference setting. Click on the language selector to view the available options. NotebookLM supports multiple languages, allowing you to generate summaries, notes, explanations, and other content in your preferred language. Browse the list and select the language you want NotebookLM to use for future responses. Once you have selected a language, save or apply the setting if required. Some versions of the interface may apply the change immediately, while others may require confirmation before updating the notebook preferences. After changing the language setting, return to the chat panel and ask a question. NotebookLM should now generate responses in the language you selected. You can test this by requesting a summary, explanation, or study guide and checking whether the output matches your chosen language. If you notice that a response is still generated in a different language, try explicitly mentioning the language in your prompt. For example, you can ask NotebookLM to summarize this paper in Spanish or explain this concept in French. This helps reinforce the desired output language, especially when working with multilingual sources. Changing the output language can be particularly useful for language learners, international researchers, educators, and anyone working with content across multiple languages. It allows you to interact with the same sources while receiving explanations and summaries in the language that best fits your needs. You can switch languages at any time by returning to the Settings menu and selecting a different option. This makes it easy to move between projects that require different languages without creating separate notebooks. And that's how you select output response languages in NotebookLM. Open your notebook settings, choose your preferred language, verify the output in chat, and adjust as needed to receive responses in the language that works best for your workflow.